Hi, this is John with WTI, and again with my grooming section. This one is one of my essentials. This Cremo post-shaving balm has this cooling effect that would prevent me for all the razor bumps that I used to get while I was younger. If I was 18 or 16 back again, I would go and get one of this because I used to get all these great or big razor bumps back in the day, and changing to a trimmer and changing to a good post-shaving balm would help me a lot of problems. My confidence will be better back then. But this guy here, this Cremo, is a great option because it's alcohol free. It gives you the cooling sensation while not being too harsh on your skin. And this solves me a lot of problems when it comes to shaving, as I have to do it often, 2 or 3 times a week. So to that person that has to shave often, this one here is a lifesaver. So if you're looking for a great one, this is your option. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.